Let me continue the next step. First, we need to drag the skylight line up, and we can show the other objects. Want to head this surface, go to perspective view, have a look at the position of our skylight. Cool, and use my gumball to create a surface. Because I need to use blend surface command to connect this surface and this surface. And let me check the arrow's position and direction. Now they are in the same position, but the arrows are in the same direction too. And then I press enter. No worries, I can adjust it. We need the number 1 line. The number 1 line to be position, and number 2 is curvature. You can see this is number 2 and go 0.03. And we can price out. Read your command bar, select control point to adjust, hold out and move handle to adjust it. We can try to move the number 2 one a little bit more. And then if you feel your ISO curve line, the structure line of your surface is very annoying, so we can go display option, and there is a small window, and we can turn off the surface ISO curves options here. You will find your surface much more cleaner now. And then we press enter and show all of our objects. Select the skylight surface. Yep. And then we group them together and go to top view. I want to rotate them, and so we don't need to do a new one. Rotate, copy, yes. Press enter, cool. We can move it to a better position. And also we need to skew them, skew 1D. And have a look your top view. Same, skew 1D. Cool. Okay guys, please practice until this step, and then we continue next steps. If you have finished previous steps guys, let's continue. If you want this part to be higher, we also can do it. Let's go to the front view and still use skew 1D. And read your command bar. Base point. What does a base point means? It means unchanged position point. If we click this point, it means if we choose this direction, it means under this horizontal line, the position will not change. Cool. And we can make this one higher too. Then we can cut these holes. This one we already have the hole, but for this 3 we didn't cut it. Let's use dupe H command. You can input or find it from here. Duplicated H. select the line, select all of them, not this one, cool, and we press enter, join them together, and we use trim command, trim all of them. Then we finish the building into this step. Let us review what we learned in this tutorial. First, we created a skylight surface, a small one, under this surface, this one. And then we got a surface edge, and then we can connect this part of the surface, the top part, and the bottom part. We used blend surface. Blend surface is the second one. We got all of the top part surface, right? Then we used rotate, got 4 of them, and then we used duplicated edge, this one. The last one, we trimmed the surface. This one. Cool guys, practice. Then we do the next step.